what's going on? This is Quamon Fowler coming to you, the Texas Tenor, and I am so excited for what I have that I'm going to offer you rolling into the new year. Now, I'm feeling really giving right now. It's just the time of year. So just know that by the end of this year, this thing I'm about to offer is going to be off of the table. All right, so let me tell you what I got up my sleeve. Okay, so in the past on my YouTube channel, you've seen me do live streams where I've kind of been going and answering questions and kind of playing and, shedding and all of that. And also, you've heard me mention here recently about the music business class that I've been teaching at Weatherford College. Okay, also, you might have seen we did a workshop in November with the phenomenal drummer and pianist Quincy Phillips. All right, and so the next workshop that we have in person is actually on December the 29th with the phenomenal Andre Hayward, who has played with Lincoln Center Jazz Orchestra, as well as he tours currently with Duke Ellington Orchestra. Phenomenal, soulful trombonist. So here it is. This is what I'm going to offer to you, okay? So what I'm going to be doing from this point moving forward for the TeXas10er Academy, if you are a TeXas10er Academy member, you will get access to weekly Zooms that I will be on, where I will kind of help keep you be accountable to the goals that you would like to accomplish as a musician, and as well we'll deal with things pertaining to your playing ability and also the music business, and I'll provide a community. You'll be able to access a community of like-minded musicians who are trying to work towards the same goals. That's going to be weekly. Sometimes I might have a gig or schedule might conflict or something. We might need to scoot things around, but I'm going to be doing that weekly. In addition, we do these workshops at Bandwagon Music Store and Repair. We're going to be doing that once a month. We've already started with Quincy. In December, we have Andre Hayward. In January, I'm working with my EWE buddy, DeAnthony McGee. So that's something that we have that we're going to offer in January. But every month, we're going to do something. So if you are a part of the TeXas10er Academy, you'll also have access to check out those videos. And if the streaming works out, then you'll be able to check that out live as we do those streams. Now, if you're local in person, you got to pay for, I think, $20 if you want to check it out in person, okay? But if you are an Academy member and you've already become active, this will be included, okay? In addition, you're also going to get access to the TeXas10er Academy, all of the videos that I've posted over the years, the shared sessions, the lick bundles, the master classes, and all of those things that I've done. You'll have access to all of those videos inside of the Academy. This is only going to last up until the end of this month. And hey, I got a bonus for you. If you sign up and you get active within this month, I'm going to give you a complimentary one-on-one lesson. Okay, a complimentary one-on-one lesson. Now, you have to be active. That means your trial period, you can't be on the trial period and get in there, take a lesson with me and cancel. No, you got to be an active yearly subscriber of the TeXas10er Academy. I will give you a complimentary one-on-one lesson with me on Zoom, in addition to the weekly Zooms that we're going to do with the members, in addition to the monthly workshops that you'll be able to see and access as well at Bandwagon, in addition to all of the content that'll be inside of TeXas10er Academy. Now, the price definitely will change later on. And this offer might be off the table, like I said, at the end of this month. But if you act now, you'll be able to get all of the stuff that I shared and the complimentary one-on-one lesson with me. Okay, so that's what I'm offering, and I just wanted to share that with you. So go ahead and click the link that's in the description of this video, or you can go to TeXas10er Academy and just hit join now to become a member right now. Let's do it. I'm committed to help you accomplish your goals as a musician. I want to help you enhance your vocabulary and help you craft your voice, and even help you with accomplishing your goals, and help you to have an environment where you can get some feedback from what you're doing in your business, and help you with some things that you could add on. And these are just things that I've collected over the years, and things that I've kind of fine-tuned from teaching music business. So anyway, get signed up, and I'll see you on the inside. All right, peace.